So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can block the advertisements on Google Chrome browser on your PC. So without wasting any of the time, let me open the Google Chrome browser on my PC. When you open the Google Chrome browser, this is the home page where all have been familiar with this. Now you need a particular extension to block the ads on the site that you have been surfing. So first of all, you need to just simply on the home page of your Google, you are going to find your profile picture over the top right corner. When you click there, sorry, not the profile option, you're going to see this Google Apps option. Just simply click there. Here you need to scroll down until you find an option of Google Chrome Web Store. You're gonna see this is the Chrome Web Store. Just simply click there. When you click there, you are now in the Chrome Web Store. Here on the search bar, you just need to simply find and search the ad blocker. When you search this, you're gonna see when I search the ad blocker, it may take a searching process, and when it search, a list of the results will be appear right in front of me. Here you need to just simply select the best ad blocker. For example, if I select this blocker, and I just simply need to hit add to Chrome. When I click that, it's going to be asking me for a warning. I just need to click add extension. When I click there, you're gonna see this extension has been now added to my Google Chrome, and once it's done, it will ask me for installing the ad block. And once the process is done, now the ads are going to be automatically blocked. It may ask for the payment, and if you don't want to, you just go for the free versions also. You're gonna see this is the ad blocker. You just simply need to, you're going to find all the ads that have been blocked by this particular extension on your Chrome browser. So by this method, you can easily block the advertisements on your Google Chrome browser on your PC. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.